here's a closer look at the damage. The main culprit, it looks like, was this orange wire, and it is down to bare wire. And then this pink wire is really charred up. Pink wire has no insulation left at all around there. Well, I've got all my splices made. Got them shrink wrapped, except for one that I forgot to put the shrink wrap on before I put it together, which I electrical taped. And now I'm gonna go turn on the key and see what happens. All right, I got my wiring all patched back up, connected the battery. Let's see what happens just turning the key on. Well, I've got my temp press light on, which I didn't have before, and the Gen fan light is on. All right, so let's see what happens if we try to start it here. How about that? Blinker's working. Blinker's working. Lights are working. All right, I don't see any smoke coming out from under the dash. That's a positive. Hey, maybe success. So thank you for all the help and encouragement. I'm keeping my fingers crossed that this will solve my electrical problems for good, and I can enjoy driving my Corvair again. Vair on.